let's look at this problem. I'm also going to give you a Khan Academy video that also does this problem algebraically. But I am going to show you another method, and this is one that we have done in class before with 3 integers. But the assignment that you're going to be working on today may include 3 integers, 4 integers, and possibly 5 integers. So one of the most important things I want you to look at is the words in the problem. The sum. As soon as I see the word sum, I know I'm going to be adding. 4. Then I see the word consecutive. Consecutive means one after the other. Odd. Again, remember the difference between odd and even numbers. And then integers, meaning they're going to be numbers. They're going to be whole numbers. There's no fractions, no decimals. They're going to be whole numbers. Okay? And our sum of these 4 consecutive odd integers will be 136. We got to figure out what are the 4 integers. So one of the ways that I showed you was to do the method of dividing. So I'm going to take 136 and I'm going to divide it using my calculator by 4. And I get the answer of 34. Okay, which means that my 4 integers, if they were all the same, would be 34 plus 34 plus 34 plus 34. And if you do this and add them together, you will get 136. But that's not the answer because these are 4 of the same numbers. They're not consecutive, which means one after the other, and they're not odd. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my answer, though, of 34, and I'm going to pick odd numbers around the number 34. I'm going to start guessing. So I'm going to say, well, 33 comes right before 34. So let me try 33. The next odd integer would be 35, plus 37, plus 39. Okay, I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to add these together. Or what I might also do is just start looking at the ones placed. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. And 21 plus 3 is 24. I had to think about that. Okay, so I got 24, which means that this would have to end in a 24. Or not a 24, a 4. Okay, so I'm going to say right now that this is only going to add up to something that ends in a 4. If I keep going, just to see what it adds up to, carry the 2. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12, 13, 14. So that happens to add up to 144. So I'm noticing now, definitely it's too big. Okay, so based on my adding, I'm too high. I went too high. So 33 is too high to start with, but I'm not too far away. So I'm going to go down to 31. I'm going to try 31. Plus 33, plus 35, plus 37. And again, this is the guessing and checking method. It does work. So now I'm going to add these up. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Okay, it's looking good. I got a 6 at the end. Carry my 1. My 1, there it is. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Okay, so there we go. I now know that this is the right answer. Some of the Khan questions will ask you, what is the first number, or what is the smallest number? Okay, so then our answer would be 31. What if it said, what is the largest of the 4 numbers? Then I would say 37. What if it said, what is the second number in the group of numbers? Okay, then I would say 33. So you can do any of these problems guessing and checking. The video that I'm going to have you watch, though, and I do want you to watch it, it's only a little over 5 minutes, it's in Khan Academy. He does show this the algebraic way. Okay, for most math people, math teachers, big people into math here, we would do it Sal's way from the con video. Okay, but for the rest of us out there that don't do equations all the time, most people would do it like I just showed you. That's why I'm showing you this little shortcut. Okay, so you have this video, the con video to watch, and 4 problems in Khan Academy to get done today. If you finish all that and you have all your Savas assignments caught up, you are done for the day. I will see you tomorrow. I am taking attendance today based on the fact that you watch this video. Okay, if you watch the con video, which I'll be able to see easily in con, and if you do the 4 problems in the con assignment. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.